I could be down, I could be out, but one thing is true,
So, sobrang uso nito sa
is that my heart will be full
Yeah.
as long as I'm with you.
coconut ice cream with banana. Go now, go.
Crispy pork belly, yeah?
Yeah.
On crab and scrambled eggs.
And one crispy pork belly.
Spicy.
Not spicy. Thank you so much.
It's raw, Jenny.
Thank you. Right.
It's different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just skin there you can feel it. This is plain, you can feel it. This is Australian wood. This one is 100. Yeah, 17.5. Yeah.
17.5.
Yeah. 40 low.
Not too long. Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Actually, normal your size, we have พวก30 8 34 พวก39 ครึ่ง
I'll take coconut.
They have? Oh, yeah. Okay.
This chili and garlic. No, no chili.
You want order?
Huh?
One?
One, yeah. One
No
chili.
spicy.
No spicy, no spicy.
And your drink?
And what is it?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Drink.
Fresh coconut.
Yeah.
And can I have this, please?
Yeah. You want rhino, right?
With rice?
No spicy.
Yeah, not spicy. And then one rose lychee
Okay.
soda. In the Philippines.
Santos music. Should take Santos music. How is that?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So, what's it? Mixed fish and meat.
Oh. Sweet case. So has accessories, Sasha. Ayan, so kakauwi lang namin and magulo yung table kasi nga nag-unboxing ako nito. Ito siya. So sobrang uso nito sa Pinas and sa Dubai. Napakamahal niya kasi nga for delivery pa siya. So ayan, tingnan mo. Grabe, 'di ba? So ito tamang-tama siya for Dubai. So, ayun, nakauwi na kami and wala akong masyadong na-vlog for day 2 or day 3 namin dahil rest day namin today and nagpunta lang kami sa tailor para magpa-fitting. Tomorrow, magpa-fly kami to Krabi. So, hopefully, meron akong ma-vlog doon. So, ayun. Thanks for watching. See you next vlog.